Do you want to know how you can log into your SurePay payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your SurePay payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and search for SurePay Payroll Login. Now click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official page of Payroll. Now you can see login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to a separate page. In this page you can log into your account. So there are two types of different accounts, the business account and employee account. You can log into your business account or employee account quite easily. So the first step is to write down your username. After you write down your username, go ahead and click next. And another pop-up will come, so you can see that this is for the employee one. So if you click on login, it will take you to this page, and after you click on the employee login over here, you can log into your employee one. And if you want to log into your business account, just go ahead and write down your username on your business section and click next again, and it will take you to a separate portal. So guys, these are two different portals, so you can click it according to your designation. You can see that these are two different accounts. So go ahead and go to login, write down your password over here, check your password once and click login, and you can log into your employee account on Payroll. While in the business account, as you have clicked on the business login, go ahead and write down your password and click on the business login option. This way you can log into your business account on Payroll as well. So guys, this is how you log in to your payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.